Honourable members, now I call upon leaders of parties to offer felicitations to the Honourable Deputy Chairman. I request that all speeches be kept brief and completed within 3 minutes each, please. Shriman Derek O'Brien ji, Shriman Sanjay Singh ji, Shriman Trichy Shivaji.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I, on behalf of the DMK party, wholeheartedly congratulate Dr. Harivansh. Let him go. I'll continue later. Who has been elected for the third consecutive term as the Deputy Chairman, and as the Leader of Opposition rightly pointed out, he is the first ever nominated member to occupy the position of the Deputy Chairman of the second chamber of the Parliament. And I wish him, sir, that one more term, if he completes, he would touch the record of Dr. Najma Heptulla, because she was the only one who has occupied the Deputy Chairman position for 4 terms and has reached the third, and I wish he will reach the 4th term also. So we all know very well that basically he's a journalist, a well-deserving person. His knowledge is very wide, he's a voracious reader, and he's a very prudent person. He has impressed us earlier from the chair. And off the chair, whenever we have met him in the chamber, we have exchanged pleasantries. It's a felicitating occasion. So though he has been elected unopposed for known reasons, we are all very happy to have him again here. When he started his career as Deputy Chairman, I was here a member, and now he has started his next journey. I will also be along with him all through this journey. Sir, one thing I have been telling in the erstwhile Parliament, in the chair there will be a symbolical inscription of a balance. That is, the chair is equal, will treat both sides equal. In the past we have experienced that. In future also, we believe that the Deputy Chairman, who has been elected now again for the 3rd consecutive time, will treat both sides, accommodate both the sides, and as he has listened to